Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you are fine. So we are going to have some fun with Rubik cube. I'm going to solve it today and I will teach you too. So let's go and solve the Rubik cube. Okay friends, we have in a Rubik cube 6 faces. First one we can say white, green, yellow, blue, orange and red. So first we will make one face. Any of them we can choose. I am going to choose the white. First I will complete the white, then I will go to the second row and third row. So we will make first the white. So for the white we have to make a plus sign first. For example, we have white here and I have white here, so I need a white here again and white here again and white here again. So I have already here one white. It's my luck, by chance. If you don't have some time like this, also not a chance. Yeah, I'm just joking. So I don't have here any white. I will first find the white, any white I have. For example, here's a white and here's green. Yeah, I have to take the white first down, I mean bottom. It's head and it's bottom, so I have to take first in the bottom near yellow. So now here we have green, so we have to find the middle green. Where is middle green? I got it very fast. So green is here. Now I will turn it to the head. I got the first one. This one also come, but this is wrong. No problem, I will solve it. So we need the green and green here, mid also green here, white, white. I will find the second one. So the second one come here for me. I have to take it down first. Why? Because I have blue here but not blue here. It means it's wrong. If I turn it, find the blue, for example, I find it, but when we made the green, it's already destroyed. So I will turn it back as usual as before it was. So I have to take it in the bottom first. I will turn it in the bottom. Now it's in the bottom near the yellow. Remember, yellow is always in the bottom if you choose the head white. So as we before find the green with the green, we will find this time blue with blue. So I will turn it. I find the blue. Now white here to blue here. I will turn it to the up, I mean the head. So I got blue here, white here and green here. But I get here a white also, but this is wrong. Why? Because here is orange and here is red. I need orange here too, so I will take it to the bottom. I took it in the bottom. So I will find now the orange. Where is the orange? Where is the orange? I got it, the orange with orange, and white is here. I will take it up. So I got orange here, white here, green here and blue here. Now the fourth one is remaining. I have to find where is the center white color. I got it here. Yeah, so first I have to take it down, then up. I took it down, turn it, it's down. So yeah, I'm lucky now this time. I got the red already. They are. If sometime for you guys it happened like this maybe, or maybe like this, no problem, just turn it and bring it with the red one. Turn it into the head. I got the plus sign. So now I'm going to make the corners. This one automatically come for me the corner, but this is wrong. You can see here the green and here the red. So but I have to make this one. Here is blue. We have to make here also blue, not red, not orange, not another color. So what we are going to do, I will leave it, no problem. I will find another one. White corner. With white we have two more colors, the blue and the red. The white has two, where we have the blue and which one, blue and red. Blue here we have and red we have here. So I have to bring in the here, that one I have to bring here. So where was that one? This I will turn it to here. See, blue here, red here, it means it has to go here. So first I bring it into the corner, but down in the bottom I have to turn it into right and turn this one down and turn the bottom one back and turn it again back. So we got it. Blue with blue, blue with blue, red with red. So this one have green and red. We will make it where is green and red. Green is here, red is here, so it means it will come here. As we did the last time, we turn it to the right, but we will make it turn to the left because white is in front of us. If white is in the right of us, so we will turn it this side as we did last time for the blue and red, but this time it is in front of me. I will turn it to the right, left, and it will come down and come back. I got it. Can see. Now to the other corner. Another corner I will find. Yeah, here is white and orange and green. Orange is here, green is here. I turn it to here, to the bottom of this time. See, white is into my right hand, not in front of me. So what I will do, I will turn it, oh sorry, yeah, it's okay. So I will turn it right and down, turn it back and turn it back too. Ta-da! We got it. So just the last one is remaining. Last one, it's down, some tricky. So okay, so we have to first turn the white from here to up here or here. What we will do, we will turn it, white comes here, so I will turn it here 2 times and turn it back. So before white was here, now white is here. It comes again to our right hand. As I said, go right if it is in your right hand, so turn it also again right and turn it down, bring it back and bring it back too. Ta-da! We got it. The first, our successful face of our Rubik cube. Straw also already made. Red and here also red. Green, here also green. Orange, here also orange. Blue, here also blue. And white is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make the second row. The first row is already made, but we are going to make the second row. Okay, so we are going to make the second row. We don't have much time, also we have to solve it fast. So green is here, orange is here. You have to find the center one, not the corners. Yeah, the center which does not have any yellow. This one has yellow. You can see green has yellow. I don't need it. I come here, or red have blue or blue have red, so I will solve this one first. I am looking here to the third row is blue. I will go match blue with blue. I got it. And you can see the bottom one is red. So red is into my right hand. If red is in my right hand, so I will turn it into the left. I mean the opposite. Red is here, so red now come here. Before it was here. I turn it to here. Now I will turn it down, turn it here, up, and here, down, and turn it back, and I got my second row. You can see red is here and blue is here. Same like this, I got the green is with orange, not with yellow. So I will find first green. I got it. And orange is here, again my right hand. I will turn it, because orange here and orange is here, I will turn it into the opposite. I will down, make it down. I will bring here, this one up, and this one turn again, and this will be down, and this will be up. I got it. So this, I got it. And now I will find another one, this one, green and with red. I will find the green. Where is green? Find it. Red. This time you can see red is in my left hand, not to my right. So again what I will do, I will go opposite. So red is here and red is here. I will go opposite. So this time I will go to right and down, red, come back, go up, turn again, come down, and bring it back. I got it. My second row almost complete, just the last one is remaining. So it's also a bit tricky. It's good that come to me, I have to solve it. Maybe it comes to you. Sometimes it does not come, so I have to solve it. So we are going to change it. I will bring it down. Yeah, I will turn it right, go here, and I have to take it back, down. I make it out, because before it was here orange and here was blue. Now orange and yellow. Where is it? Before we have to find it back. Here it comes. I will bring orange to orange, orange with orange, and blue is here, means to my right hand. I will go opposite, down, back, up, here, here. We got our second row complete. Congratulations. Okay, so we will turn it. Before I told you that always has to be to the up. Now this time I will turn it to the down. It means down. White will be down this time. The yellow will be up. So I will make the same thing we made it here, plus sign. I'm going to make it here also the plus sign. Okay, so first I have to make here or here, any of them. I will take it like this. I will turn it, I hope, turn it here, and turn it here, turn it here, turn it here, and turn it here, and here. I got it, the minus mark. So no any changes, It's good. So I will do the same as I did before. For the minus side, I will turn it. Sorry, yeah, I will take it like this, turn it, go up here and come down, come back and come back again. I got it. I got the plus sign. Yeah, but the problem is these marks, this is red, it has to be red here. If blue, has to be blue here. If orange, has to be orange here. Green has to be here. But we got here two common, orange with orange, blue with blue. But I have to make these two also. What I will do, this one which is fine and these two are fine, I will take it like this. It has to be one to our left and one to be back, and these two which are not fine, it will be in front of me and this will be right hand of me. I will turn it from down to up and twice, and again this down and again back, this one here and this one back again, and this down and turn it here. So I got red, I got green, and it was before orange, and this one also. Here no any changes. I hope you understand till here. We are going to make now the corners, which is very tricky. First we will see that this red, blue, yellow is not matching here, because yellow is here, red is here, but here is not blue, here is not blue, so it means it's wrong. This one green, orange, but green, orange is not here, it means not right. This one blue here, orange here, yellow here, it means in the third, these three, it means it is the center one. This is the finest one. We will take it like this. I will turn up here and here and back and here and turn it back. Okay, no any changes yet. Once again we will do like this. Okay, so no changes here again, no changes yet. We'll turn up this and here, 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 here and here. Turn it here. Ta-da! I got it. I got here one and I got here second one. So now we will go to just these two corners are remaining. We have to bring this yellow and this yellow here and here. This two yellow has to become here. When it comes here, it means we are going right. I will take like this to the front of me, go up 1 2 and make it down, turn it back, go up here and here. Okay, so this again I will try it to the left side also. I'm bright now. My two yellow is here. It means this will be my last step. I will again do it up twice, come here, go up here, here, and this side also here, twice, down. Ta-da! Please subscribe our channel, like it, our videos, share it with your friends, and please give your comments or your feedbacks. I hope you enjoy today the Rubik Cube challenge. Thank you. Bye bye.